Okay, so picking up, I'm going to work number 7. I went ahead and kind of got started on it before I started filming. Basically, you're going to have to factor. I'm going to factor the numerator here. I'm going to factor the denominator here. On this side, the right-hand side, on the top, all you can do is take out a common factor. You can divide by 7. On the denominator right here, you can take out a common factor. You can divide both of those by 6. So what I'm going to do, when I factor the numerator on the left, x squared plus 5x minus 14, I got x plus 7 times x plus 2. That should be minus 2. Hold up. Yep, there we go. I didn't mean to put plus. Okay, so you get x plus 7 times x minus 2. When you factor down here, x squared minus 2x minus 15, that's x minus 5 times x plus 3. And you can, reverse order. You can have x plus 3 first. That part doesn't matter. Okay, over here. So notice on this one, it's division. When you're dividing, you actually have to multiply by the reciprocal of the second fraction, which means you actually have to flip it. So like the 6 times x plus 3 is going to go on the top. And the 7x minus 2 is going to go on the bottom. Okay. And now that we have it completely factored and we have flipped our second fraction, you're ready to start canceling. That x minus 2, this is my favorite part. I like scratching stuff off for some reason. All right, the x plus 3's cancel. It looks like that's it. So we should have, in the numerator, we have a 6 and an x plus 7 remaining. And we have a 7 on the bottom and an x minus 5 remaining there. Okay, that's number 7. I'm checking my key. Yeah, we're good. So that's the answer on that one. Okay, then I'm going to scoot on down here to number 10. State the excluded values. All you do to find excluded values is factor the denominator only, just the bottom. So set it equal to 0. You're going to factor it. Signs would be plus minus. You have 3 and 1. Oh, my bad. I'm sorry. Signs are not plus minus. My bad. Signs are minus minus. Yeah, because the plus means the signs are the same as the first. So both minus. Okay, and then you have 3 and 1. All right. Because that's set equal to 0, you're going to set each parenthesis equal to 0 individually. Add over your 3. You end up getting positive 3. Add over the 1. You end up getting positive 1. So your excluded values are k equals 3 and k equals 1. So that's all you do there. And I was going to try to work one more super fast. I'm going to look at number 22. All you do to do asymptotes, there are vertical and horizontal asymptotes. To get the vertical asymptote, all you do is set the denominator equal to 0. So set x plus 1 equal to 0, subtract over the 1, that's x equals negative 1. That's all you do. And the horizontal asymptote is y equals whatever number is off to the side over there. So that would be y equals 2. So that's all you do for that.